What is good, everybody? How are we doing this fine Tuesday morning? I've got a little bit of bed here going on, so we're just going to move past that and ignore it. But how are we doing, guys? It is indeed a terrific Tuesday in the markets. Already, gold looks to be setting something up nicely. So if you haven't already, make sure you do one or all of these things. First thing, grab yourself a water. Second thing, grab yourself a coffee. Third thing, grab yourself a notebook and pen, because that is the rules. Always be taking notes and be prepared to learn something. And I lost track, 4 maybe. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and grab a screen share up in the house. There we go. Perfect. So just waiting now on gold. I think that we can have a bit of a pullback on gold now. I'm trying to debate whether I see if we can come back to the 50% fill of this candle here. If so, that'd be really nice. Not sure if we will, but we'll see. Just waiting now. Nice 1 to 2 on that would be good. Let's have a look. Let's see. Pound looks okay. Sorry, euro looks okay. NASDAQ, I thought the NASDAQ was going to start setting up nicely, but we didn't quite get it. Waiting for a break and close above these highs here. Now we're probably going to be looking for a break and close above here. Stop loss again will be at this low. And then we've got the swing point just down here. So this is what I'm looking at now on the NAS. Gold. You know what? I'm happy to trade this from where it is, I think. Let me have a look. Maybe bring my... Yeah, I'm just going to trade this from where it is now. I'm going to go with a 1. There we go. So I'm now in this gold long from this level up here. So again, stops are at the low. Just for 1%, and then we're gonna target a 1 to 2. There we go. So stops bang on the low, and we're gonna target a 1 to 2. Cool. That's what we're looking at on gold for today. Let's see if we can get that. If we do get a pullback, it is this one of these accounts I am trading is eval. So I don't mind trading a little bit risky on this. So if we do get a pullback, I may scale in on an entry here. But as you can see, I'm not sure if we're going to get a pullback with the momentum we seem to be getting. So NAS is still looking a little bit slow. Also, guys, if you do want this, if you do want the exact strategy that I trade on gold, then link is in the Brotherhood. You can get it completely for free. So I will be giving this PDF download checklist or rule book of my strategy. So if you do want to check that out, or if you do want that strategy, then you can get it completely for free in the Discord. Where the link is in the description just down below. There we go. We got a nice close there. That's what we like to see. Yeah, NAS isn't doing much. Euro looking to be bullish. Pound looking to be quite bullish, which is nice. We're all broken above the 50 EMA. The Dixie is nice and bearish. This is what we want to see. There we go. Let's hope that we can continue this momentum to the upside. Let's get some music up in here. There you go. That is better. That is better indeed. Let's have a quick catch up with who we have in chattery. Azrael Trade, good morning, Will. What is good, brother? How are you doing? Good morning, Azrael. Looking forward to next week, man. So for those of you who don't know, I do stream over at the Fivers every single day as well. And I will be competing against Azrael in a one-on-one competition. So I'm excited for that. It's going to be good fun. Jürgen, what is good? How are you doing? Good morning, Jürgen. Good to see you, brother. Engine Volunteer, what is good? MGN is also competing next week, but not against myself. He is going up against the one and only LJ. And yes, my man, what is good, Henry? Good evening. Good to see you in. How you? Yeah, I was going to say, it's early evening, but yeah, it's good evening to you, Henry. I'm really excited too, brother. Dude, that's sick. Yeah, no, it's gonna be good fun, man. It's gonna be a good event. So let's have a quick look at the news out for today while we wait for hopefully gold to absolutely smash up higher. So we've actually not got a lot coming out today at all now. We've had Bank of Japan out. That was at 4:20 this morning. So all this is in UK time, so GMT +1. 4:20 this morning, or 4:19 this morning. We had Bank of Japan policy rate and monetary policy statement. Then we had the Aussie dollar news out. So for Henry, because Henry is in Australia. So we did have Aussie dollar out. That was the cash rate and the RBA rate statement at 5:30 this morning. And then at 6:30 was, again, Aussie dollar RBA press conference and the Bank of Japan press conference. So, yes, we have had a little bit of Aussie dollar and a little bit of JPY news. So, Japanese yen news coming out this morning. Other than that, we are free to trade for the day. Hopefully, Trump doesn't come out with all sorts of garbage, because I believe in 2 days' time, we are apparently signing this deal on the end of the war in Iran. So we'll have to be careful when that arises. Plus, we've got the new Fed chair speaking tomorrow, I believe. I'm sure it's tomorrow. Yes. So we got the new the federal fund rates tomorrow. So that's going to be interesting. We'll have to, again, tomorrow, I won't be trading tomorrow anyway. I've got, I'm seeing family tomorrow, so nice big day for me tomorrow, where I get to just chill. I will probably be doing the morning session, but I won't be doing the afternoon session, because that's when I'll be seeing family. So for me, I won't be doing much in the market. So hopefully we can smash out some nice percentages today, which will be nice, because then I won't have to worry about trading tomorrow. Johan, I'm good, slow and steady, enjoying my Bitcoin entry being up 8% from the last stream. Dude, that is sick. That is really, really awesome, man. Hopefully you are absolutely smashing it. Unfortunately, I haven't had a message back regarding that tick data, so I am going to be messaging some of my other connections, which will probably be over next week now. I'll try and get it done today, but like I said, I'll be with family from tomorrow onwards, so I may not be able to get it done as pronto as I want to, but I will see what I can do for you, my friend. I caught a small long on Aussie dollar, bottom after the rate news. So So 5:30, no, 6:30 minutes. So yeah, it was, rate news was around here. Oh, nice. I'm assuming you caught the long from around this consolidation, maybe. Small long. Oh no, you actually caught it at the bottom. Oh, dude, that's sick. Yeah, no, I gather it is the news. Aha, yes. Yes, Henry. What's the huge announcement? I can't tell you until 2 p.m. today, I believe. Or it'll be after 2 p.m. So I got a meeting, which I can't divulge too much information into. I know I'm keeping you guys in the dark here, but I got a meeting around 2 p.m. This afternoon, or 1:30, 2 p.m. this afternoon. And then, if that meeting goes well, I have got a huge announcement to make in the Brotherhood. So really looking forward to that. Now, hopefully, oh la la, look who we got in. Look at this. We've got the one and only Hans Gunter Butler. What is good, Rich? How you doing, my man? Morning, Muppets. Good morning, Muppet. Brother Muppet. I was just explaining. So Rich, I believe doesn't know, but it wouldn't take long to guess. So Rich, I was just explaining to Henry now because he just asked what news, what announcement have I got. You will know. You don't know. I'll tell you a little. I'll tell you in about an hour's time when we go on stream. You do know. Yeah. Okay. I thought I was gonna say I haven't told you, but I know you know. If that makes sense. So yeah, dude, super excited for this. Hopefully, like I said, if it all goes well, which I can't see an issue with, I'm sure it's going to be fine. It will be game changing for the Brotherhood. Henry, no, hell's bells, no, it's revolutionary for the Brotherhood, not for me, you know. Although it's going to cost me money, but not as much money as that. No, CC's not that lucky yet. Oh God, no. No, I hope not. No, bloody hell no. No, God, no. I hope not. Unless she randomly surprises me tomorrow with a surprise, I'm pregnant. But no, hopefully not. Bloody hell. Yes, Jochen, you are completely right. Hans, Henry, how did you know? He's just a good guesser, man. He's good at guessing. Why is I don't know why it's taking so long to pop up with the comments. Good morning, you legend, from Hans Gunter. Jochen, finally getting that gender change done. That, you know what? Bang on. That is exactly what is happening. I am getting my sex change done. And that is happening today, tomorrow. When did I say? Yeah, today. I'm having my consultation meeting today. Oh dear. Yeah, no, it's nothing like that. I'd love to give it away to you guys. I really would. But I can't tell you just yet. What I can tell you though is I took some nice trades yesterday on the NASDAQ. So Rich is in, which is really nice watching this. So missed this unfortunately on gold, but I will be talking about my NASDAQ strategy as well, which is sort of in correlation with Rich's strategy. So I actually got this inspiration from Richie B. From next month it will be, yeah, no, exactly, yeah, but like I'll be able to make the announcement tomorrow. So I just need the green light, which I'm assuming I'm gonna get today. If I don't get the green light today, I'll tell you all anyway, but it won't be official. But yeah, hopefully I can get the green light today on it, and then it will be starting from whenever it gets implemented. Yo, Richard from Jochen. Also, guys, yes, like I was saying, so my gold trade yesterday really played out really nicely. I wasn't in this. I was actually in the NASDAQ as well, and so I did miss this because all my focus was being, directed to NAS. Yes, I will be a Wilhelmina next month. Wilhelmina Davis. I just realized what you're on about. I misread that comment. Yeah, fair. Yeah, I will be. I'll be Wilma, actually. I thought about Wilhelmina, but I'm gonna go with a Wilma. I feel like I'm more of a Wilma. Let me know, guys. What do you reckon my sex change name should be? Yeah, so I did miss this beautiful long yesterday. If you were like I said, guys, if you were trading this according to my strategy, stop loss would have been tight on the low. Entry would have been at this area here, which would have been on the new candle open. And then, yes, you would have had a nice 2-hour trade. It would have taken some time. You would have been battling some ugly ass consolidation throughout mid to late London. But eventually, towards the end of London, as we head into like that sort of London-New York lunchtime crossover, we would have finally hit TP on that. So beautiful gold long. I did miss it though. So, you know, it's nice to plot it up, but unfortunately it wasn't a trade that I was in. However, moving on to a trade that I was directly in with these two over here on the NASDAQ. So these were moving really nicely. Didn't get as nice a price action on the NAS. Now, it didn't gap. I don't know why it's TradingView says it gapped. It didn't. I did check the data feed on MetaTrader, and we were looking all good. So it's just one of those things. Now, we did get a beautiful sort of like consolidation range here. We are uptrending and we're above the 50 EMA. We got this literally perfect break and close above on the 5-minute candle. And then I took a trade on the open. So really nice trade on the open of the very next candle. Looking for that continuation momentum. Didn't mind a bit of a pullback. I thought if we get a pullback, that's absolutely fine. I'll enter in on this candle as well, which would have been the break and retest candle. Now, I did go in half risk on this. So this was a total of 1% risk overall across the board. And then, as you can see, you know, it tapped me in, and then so we got almost literally zero profit from this. We got a little bit of profit here. We were up a couple of $100, but yeah, it was practically zero profit. However, you know, we came into, you know, that sort of 11, 12 a.m. lunchtime crossover. And then again, this trade was still valid. We were still in this uptrended market. And we were still, when I took the trade, above the 50 EMA, which is really nice. We got the consolidation zone. Proved to be, you know, a wick rejection, continuation higher. And again, not often does it, you know, show up twice, certainly in one session. But we have actually managed to have a beautiful, beautiful break and close above. Now, once I saw this, I took the entry again for a second opportunity, 1% risk, stop loss tight on the low, and I thought to myself, right, you know what? Let's see if we can get this 2-hour trade, and then again we got consolidation here. We did fail to break and close above this new high, which was a shame. So that was a confluence to exit. That was my way of saying, okay, well, look. If this now breaks and closes below here, you have got to exit this trade as close to break even as possible. What happened then? Price did indeed break and close under. So for me, that is an invalidation for me, with an invalidation confluence for me to get out of the trade as close to break even as possible. I actually got out of the trade up here. So I was in a little bit of profit, but I did take out for break even. So that was really frustrating. I got really frustrated with myself because I'm leaving thousands a week. You know, I'm leaving quite a few percentages a week on the table due to my old invalidation rule. Now, due to that, I am going to be testing the idea of removing part of my invalidation rule, because I had my stop loss really tight over here. I didn't need a discretion strategy. So what I'm going to be doing is only if I have my stop loss under this low here, then I'll have a discretionary strategy. Otherwise, it is going to be TP or stop loss from now on. Yes, I know we had a break and close under, and it was a shift in structure as well as a close, a failure to break and close above. Nevertheless, I am going to be considering the idea of, if it's going to be a super tight stop loss, it is going to be stop loss or TP, nothing else. So because again, I left another 2% on the table today. Last week I left 2% on the table, and then the week before I think I missed a 2%, so I didn't really care too much. But theory, I could have been up 4% between this week and last week. Okay, I took a net loss of 1% today, so I would have been up net of 3% for the past 2 weeks. So goes to show, when strategies, do stop working sometimes, or certain parts of strategies do stop working, you've got to sort of notice that. Then the sooner you notice that, the sooner you can put something in place to rectify it. So that is what that's what I'm going to be putting in place now moving forward. It seems like TradingView had a data feed lag yesterday and this morning. Yeah, no, I noticed it yesterday. Didn't really see it this morning. Yeah, didn't really see it this morning. Unless that is just, consolidation. S&P. Ooh, S&P is looking very nice. Okay. I'm gonna test this out. Okay, guys, I'm not in this trade, but I am going. I'm just gonna forward test this idea on the S&P. See what happens here. I feel like this is like strip club music. What's going on here? I'll say gold has moved back down to break even. Nope, go away. There we go. Okay, I don't hate this. It's not too bad. So last week on stream, we did take a NASDAQ long, and it did actually smash a TP, which was nice. But this year, like I said, I'd like to see it pull. I don't want to see it pull back because I am in the trade now. I'd like to see it just move straight up into profit. Although, I wouldn't hate the idea of this pulling back a little bit. I certainly think we can. We've got a nice little imbalance here as well. Put the equilibrium on there, so the center line. Yeah, I think that would be quite nice. I wouldn't hate the idea of this pulling back at all. Will, have you told Johan that you are now a futures trader? Am I a futures trader? I have dipped my toe into futures. There you go. I have dipped my toe into the futures market. I don't like it. I like the futures market. I just don't. I'm struggling to understand how the system works. So every day now from next week onwards, because like I said, tomorrow I'm not going to be trading that much. So, and then obviously Thursday I'm not trading at all because I'm spending time with family. So yeah, from next week onwards, every single live stream that you'll see me on the Fivers, I will try and do as much as I can on the futures accounts or the futures account that I have, because I am trying to master the futures accounts, but it is yeah, it's like trying to learn to ride a bike again. Back to the futures. Yes, mate. Dude. Oh, Rich, that is a good idea. We should have a once a week episode of Will and Rich Back to the Futures. And then like maybe on like a Tuesday morning session, it is solely just futures trading. How sick would that be? I would put that gold entry lower back to the consolidation. Yeah, honestly, I'd love to see price come back down into this area here. I think that would be nice. But look, like I said, if it doesn't come, it doesn't come. I have got 2 entries on this. Entry 1 is, the break and close above. Entry 2 is, of course, going to be the break and retest down here. So yeah, I don't mind. We'll have to. It would look better again. Even when it comes to a risk-reward ratio, it'd look a lot better if we can actually pull back to the consolidation. But we'll see. We'll see how price looks. Yeah, it still looks nice. If we can close above 43.28 now, nice big bullish close above that, I think we're going to be off to the races. How about we use Jurgen's breakout strat? Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Yeah. I mean, well, Jurgen is a member of the Brotherhood, so who knows? Maybe he would be kind enough to teach us how he uses his breakout strat in the futures market on Discord one day. But yes, that would be pretty sick. Gold seems to be taking its sweet ass time. But we are getting a nice we're getting a nice close. Oh, sorry, a nice move. We just need a nice close now, but it seems to be attempting to wick it. So we'll see. NASDAQ. Rich, you seen anything on the NAS at the moment? I was looking at this and it was looking nice until here. I thought we could get some nice bullish price action. I thought we'd have a bit of a consolidation here, nice big break and close, pull back, break and close, creating like some form of base or consolidation, and then an entry here to continue up. That's what I was hoping to see. And then we just sort of like fell off and just consolidated. So I don't know. Ray, yes, Johan, sure thing. Dude, that'd be sick. Maybe we'll have a futures session in the Brotherhood Discord where we can actually, I don't know, try and master the futures platform. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Try and master the future. I know Rich has pretty much got it down to the T now, but I was having a lot of issues trying to sign in because, again, I'm a technophobe and I'm an absolute muppet. So trying to sign into the futures platform was a pain in the ass for me. But I'm signed in now, so I'm still trying to learn it. CFDs I've mastered. I'm fine with that. Yeah. I'm profitable on the CFDs, but we all like to challenge ourselves. So let's see if I can become profitable on the futures market as well. Okay, now we got a nice little break and close on gold then. There we go. Just a bit more like it, people. Get rid of this. Bugger off. Not the prettiest price action on NAS. If we can break this resistance now, we can see yesterday's highs being tested, potentially all-time highs. Yeah, no, I agree. I think if we break and close above where we are now, I think price would be quite nice, but we'll see. Where is all-time? Is this all-time highs? it's not. Up here it is. Yeah, 37.60. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw all-time highs. The only issue is, you know, we had that hell of a gap yesterday. So, I don't know. We'll see. Oh well, meanwhile, we'll just concentrate on gold for now. We'll just wait and see what gold's doing. Oh, there you go. Boom. Gold's starting to move up, which is quite nice. So I'm just over 0.5% up because we seem to be wicking. Come on. Stop wicking. Sometimes this is the fun about streaming. When you're in a trade and you haven't got a co-host, you know, it's quite boring when you're watching a trade happen. So I'm just gonna sit here and chill with you guys in chat. Yummy. How is life, my friend? How is work, trading, and the like? Oh, the life. Oh wow, you meant okay. You got life wrong twice. Not been great due to health issues. Honestly, sorry, recovering. Yeah, Jochen, big shout out, man. Hopefully you can be on that fast, speedy recovery, my friend, and kick that illness's ass. It is building up. It is building up indeed, mate. It is building up indeed. You will beat it, mate. Kick that illness ass. Yeah, literally beat me. Yeah, beat me to it. Yeah, kick the illness's ass, man. 100%. Show him who's boss. Azrael trade. I tried futures trading, but it was not working for me. I'm only trading GU. And futures only also trade GBP. It's the same as GU, but the contract sizing making problems. Yeah, I completely stay away from currencies when it comes to futures trading. Screw that. I know, like I said, I know you can trade like euro minis and like pound minis, etc. But nah. Dim Dioch, no thank you. I'm staying well away. I'll trade gold, but the thing is, I'm staying away from currencies at the moment anyway on my CFD. Excuse me. I clearly slept well last night. Not. Yeah, no, I know what you mean though. It's something to get used to. So I'm strictly trading gold and NASDAQ. I'll probably only trade NASDAQ on the futures for now, and then I'll trade gold and NASDAQ on the CFD market then. Getting there slow and steady. Absolutely, man. Look, slow and steady wins the race. Jochen is waiting for gold to finish the orb at 10. That's gonna be 25 minutes because you're an hour ahead, I believe. So 9 a.m. UK time. Yes. Right, I'll tell you what, guys. What I'm gonna do there is, gold just seems to be slowly doing something. So I'm gonna shoot off. I'm gonna go get myself a coffee, jump into the Discord, and then I shall see you guys. Either later on in the Discord, or I'll see you guys in the Fiverr stream, where you will see myself and the Muppet, Hans Gunter Butler, Rich. Myself and him will be streaming live today in about 25 minutes time. So guys, have a fantastic day. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Join the Discord. The link is in the description below. And I shall update you all on how this gold trade gets on. Yeah, 25 minutes. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, awesome stuff. cheers. Thank you very much for joining. Johan, thank you very much for joining. Richie B, Azrael Trades, Henry, big shout out to you guys. Who else was in? I know MJ Valentia was in. Yeah, big shout out to you guys coming in this morning. Enjoy the day, guys. Yeah, take care. Have a fantastic day. Peace.